Good afternoon, my dear student. Today I continue the same unit, operations on Venn diagram, exercise 2b. In before class I do the first sum. So now I taken the third sum. Use the given Venn diagram to find the following. So one of the Venn diagram will be given. First of all, you observe the Venn diagram. You take it as a givens everything. And using this Venn diagram to find the following. First of all, the first is universal set. Universal set is nothing but inside of the box the everything is universal set only, including the set also. So every element is the universal set. So in orderly you write this. First of all, this is the alphabets, means the start from A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So this everything is the universal set. Next one is P. You find the P. P is equal to, so only the circle of P you will take the elements. So what are the elements inside of the P set is alphabetically order. You will write that F, G, H, J, M, P. So the answer is F, G, H, J, M, P. The next one is Q. Q is equal to the same one. So set of Q we will write. So circle of the Q inside A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, N. So this is the answer for the Q set. The next one is R set. R is equal to circle of R you will write. So circle of R, G, H, K, L, I, N. So this is the answer of the R set. So G, H, I, K, L, N. So this is the R set. The next one you find the P dash. P dash is nothing but U minus P. This is the one of the method because you take any confusion, so only I take this formula method. I will find that first of all I take U set and subtracted the P set. So common terms are cancelled. The remaining universal set is the answer. This is the method of formula set. But the diagram is given means easily you will find the answer. So straightly you find the answer. P dash is nothing but in universal set all the common of P set will be cancelled. The remaining universal set is the answer. So you see this figure. This is the universal set. The full set is called universal set. In that universal set, so U minus P means in universal set common of the P terms everything is cancelled. The remaining universal set only the answer. You seen in the diagram. So P set fully cancelled in the universal. So this circle is fully cancelled. The remaining is A, B, C, D, E. The next one I, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R. First of all, everything is you will cancel the P circle. The remaining everything first you write. Afterwards you arranging in the alphabet order. It's easily you write the answer. The next one is Q dash. Q dash is same only. In the universal set, Q set fully cancel. The remaining of the P set, R set and universal set you will write. That means the Q set fully cancelled means you take only J, M, P, H, K, L, Q, R, O. So everything you take, afterwards you arrange in the alphabetical order. The R dash also the same. R circle fully cancelled. The remaining P, M, J, F, A, B, C, D, E, Q, R, O, Q, O, R. Everything is you write in orderly. The next one P intersection Q. P intersection Q means in circle P and Q is intersect in this center part. So F and G is the answer. Q intersection R, that means Q and R circle intersect in this part. So G, I, N is the answer. The P minus Q. P minus Q means P is subtracted Q. The remaining of the P is the answer. So you will consider only the P circle and Q circle. In this circle, both having the common F and G, it's cancelled. Remaining the first set P means J, M, P, H. This is the answer. So you copy down that. Q minus R, they same. Q and R you consider the circle of Q and R. In Q and R common is G, I, N, it's cancelled. The remaining of Q. So Q minus R means the same only. In Q and R the common term will be cancelled. The remaining of the Q is the answer. A, B, C, D, E, F is the answer. So this one. The P minus R means in P and R circle you consider these two circle. In these two circle the common is H and G. H and G will be cancelled. The remaining of the P is the answer. So J, M, P is the answer. So the next one, so not only JMP, FJMP, because this is the P circle. So in this P circle, the common is cancelled. The remaining of this circle is FJMP is the answer. The next one, sixth sum in A, if n of A is equal to 10, n of B is equal to 15 and n of A intersection B is equal to 7, then find n of A union B. Already know the formula of this. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So you will substitute everything. 10 plus 15 minus 7. First you add the 10 plus 15, 25. 25 minus 7 you get 18. So answer is 18. The same model for B sum. So you will take it as a homework. The next one, seventh sum. In before plus third sum, the second sum is same model of the third sum, but that sum having only 2 set is the question. So the sum also the same model, you will do the second sum. So okay, next sum, seventh sum, let U be the universal set and A and B any 2 set if n of U is equal to 20, n of A is equal to 12, n of B is equal to 4 and n of A intersection B whole dash is equal to 17. Find the following. So givens are already given, so you will find the sum straightly. First of all, n of A intersection B whole dash, because you find the n of A intersection B using this number only. So already you know the formula. N of A dash is nothing but n of A plus n of A dash is equal to n of universal set. The same for A will be replaced by A intersection B. So n of A intersection B plus n of A intersection B whole dash is equal to n of universal set. So in cardinal formula, one set is added to the complement set, you get the universal set. This is the concept of this. So n of A intersection B you want to find. N of A intersection B whole dash is in given 17 is the answer. And next one, n of A universal set is 20. So this 17 goes to that side. So 20 minus 17 you get 3. So n of A intersection B is equal to 3. The next one, second subdivision, n of A union B, you will find the straight formula is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So already know the every value. So 12 plus 4, A intersection B already in first set you will find the answer 3. So 12 plus 4 you get 16, 16 minus 3 you get 13. So the answer of n of A union B is 13. The next one, n of A minus B. In A minus B you know the formula of the cardinal set. In before class so the formula is n of A minus B plus n of B is equal to n of A union B. This formula is already in before class I tell that cardinal property. So using that formula to find the answer, you want to find n of A minus B. So add n of B, already you know the value of 4 is equal to n of A union B. Already in before second subdivision you find the answer for n of A union B 13. So using that 13, 4 goes to that side, 13 minus 4 you get 9. So answer of n of A minus B is 9. The next one, fourth subdivision, n of B minus A. So this one also having the formula n of A minus B is added to n of B minus A. It's equal to nothing but n of A union B minus n of A intersection B. Everything you know without this one. So this one substitute 9 is the answer. In before sum you will find the answer of this. So using that 9 plus n of B minus A is equal to 13 minus 3. 13 minus 3 you get 10. This 9 goes to outside. 10 minus 9 you get 1. So n of B minus A is value 1. So this is today class children. So in the next sum is the same model. So you do the sum, next sum. So thank you children to watching the video. Any doubt means ask children. Thank you.